This right here is a downspout repair slash leader head. So, bonderized metal and soldering, primer and paint. It's like putting lipstick on a pig. Tell me what you think, man. This was my day. Enjoy the video and the music. Let's get it. Instead of the 45-degree angle, I put it at a 35.5-degree angle, which gave you a nice little cant, so it just drips right out. Now it's time just to eat some barbecue ribs, spare ribs. And I threw them back in one side for some barbecue sauce.